Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Heather. I'm the product support specialist here at Easysoft. I'll be reviewing how to transfer your files from the cloud environment to your desktop and how easy it is to copy them over. So what we'll need to do is make sure that we're logging in through apps.easysoftcloud.com. Make sure you're going right in through the URL instead of using a shortcut you may have saved on your desktop. We aren't going to be actually opening the software, but we're going to be going into our File Explorer section. So I'm going to log in here, and you'll see I'm on my remote application screen. And you're going to have a little folder called File Explorer. We're going to open that up. We're going to log in this way so we can access all of the files that we've saved. Once we get into File Explorer, we're going to want to make sure that we go through each folder. So I'm going to do that during the webinar today. So the first thing that's going to happen is once you're logged in, you're going to be where it says hosted computer. Make sure that you are there. And we're going to actually go to our company shared. You'll see mine says support shared. Yours is actually going to look like this though. It should say company shared and the S drive. And that's what we want to double click on. You're going to click on a folder that says documents or my documents. And then the next folder should say Easysoft data. We want to make sure that we go in there. And it's going to be a list of all of the softwares that you've opened up and you've utilized in the cloud. So I'm just going to click in and I'm going to look in each folder and kind of get an idea of how many items are in each folder. If we're under 200, we're just going to right click and copy over. If it's over 200, I would suggest zipping the folder, which I'm actually going to show you how to do that. So these are all pretty empty. My HUD files I know are organized. So you'll see that I have 2018 and 2019 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to zip down this folder because I know that there's quite a few files in each of those and the HUD templates. Okay, so what we'll do today is we're just going to copy over our CD files and our HUD files. Since there are only a few CDs, I'm just going to right click. I'm going to copy. I'm going to minimize my screens. I'm going to get to my desktop. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. And this will just copy those over. And that only took a few seconds because I think there were less than 10 files in that folder. What we want to do is we want to go back in. And my HUD files was my next one. There were quite a few. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose send to and click compressed zipped folder. What this is going to do, it's going to create another folder within File Explorer. And you'll see it has a little zipper on it. So it's going to make it faster to copy them over. So we're going to go ahead and right click on that now. I'm going to choose copy. I can minimize my box here and paste. Now this is going to copy it over just as the folder showed, so it is a zipped folder. So once it's completed, I'm going to show you how to extract out those files. So you'll see that now it's a zipped folder. So I'm going to right click and choose extract all. It'll ask me where I want to save it. I'm just going to leave it on desktop here and choose extract. Perfect. And then I will drag this out. And now my HUD and my CD files are now copied to my computer. Now, what do we do with these files? We want to keep them in a safe spot. You can save them to a shared drive, to a server. You can email them to yourselves. But what you can do also is you can import them to the software, and you'll be able to view the information in the files. Just remember, these files are encrypted, so if you just try to open it up on your desktop, you're not going to be able to decipher the information in that file. So what we want to do now is we're going to log in to Easysoft Online. I'm going to go to my Tools menu and click on Import. So there's a few things we can do on this screen. You can import your CDs, your HUD 1s, or your HUD 1As, which are your refis. You also have the option to import your contacts if you were utilizing the contacts or case management in the cloud. So if we want to do our contacts, we're going to leave it on and import a single file. I'm going to browse. I'm going to choose am I on my desktop? Oh, perfect, I am. And I'm going to choose my EHD file. This is my contacts. So let's go ahead and import that and see if I get any. Perfect. So I found one contact and another contact was a duplicate, and this was not imported. Okay. So this will let you know how many contacts, how many are duplicates, and then you'll be able to view them in your address book, which is also available under the Tools menu. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to import a few of the files that I moved over. So let's go ahead and go back. We'll go to our HUDs, and I'm going to go to 2019. I'll just do 3 for now. Once I've chosen all the files I would like to upload, I'm going to click this upload button at the bottom. It's going to process, and you'll get a message. Uploaded files are being processed. You will receive an email when complete. This can take a few minutes. This can take up to 20 or 30 minutes. It really depends on how many files you are importing at a time. If you ever feel that it's not working properly, you can reach out to support and we can take a look for you. Once it's done, you'll get your email. It's going to list out your file numbers. You'll be able to find them on your home screen, either by your file number, the borrower or the seller name, the address, or the lender. If you have any further questions, you can always reach out to support. We have a live chat on Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also give you the ability to review any articles that have been uploaded. You can share your feedback. This goes directly to our product manager, who then will discuss any requests or new ideas with development. And you can, of course, always open a support case 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that'll be reviewed on the next business day. If you do need to reach out to any department here at Easysoft, you can reach us at our 800 number. The number is 800-905-7638. Thank you for joining me today.